So I recently learned about the WebMCP proposal, which allows web pages to register MCP tools. This is actually behind a flag in Chrome currently, so I thought it would be fun to build a Pi extension to bridge Pi's capabilities with these tools. And so all you really need is a web page that registers some of these tools. For example, here I'm building an application that lets me upload images and then optimally lay them out on a piece of paper for printing. And so if I hop back over to my Pi agent, I have the extension installed. If I type /webmcp, we can start to discover what tools are there. We'll have to accept that once per session. And then, for example, I recently went to London and added some photos to this directory. Can you create a new project and upload those photos for printing? And so when I send that to the agent, along with that goes which tools were available that were discovered in that turn. And so the LLM is now able to figure out that it needs to basically create a new project. It looks like it already executed that and updated it here. And then hopefully it will figure out how to upload those images using the appropriate tools exposed. Looks like we got an error. It probably because it didn't check first what shape the images should be in. And so there's a command so that it can dive a little bit deeper and understand the schema of the tools. So you can see this already uploaded the images here. Let's just dive in a little bit quickly and see. You can kind of tell what the describe command is doing. So when this gets executed, this basically is asking the web page like what this tool does and what the data shape should be in. And then the actual execute command now uses that information to go ahead and send over those images and get a response as well. Something else interesting is since we're in Pi, we can use other Pi extensions like pi-webmcp. For example, can you figure out the largest photo printing paper at Walgreens and set that in the project here? And so hopefully it will go, yeah, so it's doing a search. It's going to figure out what size paper is hopefully acceptable. And then we'll set that within the web page here. So it has the ability to update the page settings through an exposed tool. Again, it's going to list out some tools, describe the tools specifically, and then we can see that it actually made that adjustment here. And so now we have that set via our agent.